The truth is, it's not that hard to start up an automated YouTube channel. The real challenge though, is whether you can actually create a channel that will be able to last for years to come, make enough money to keep it going, and actually run itself. Just a few small mistakes can be the difference between utter failure and generating tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. In this video, I'll go over some of the most common reasons that people fail when starting an automated YouTube channel. Then, I'll explain how our YouTube automation course, YouTube Automation Made Easy, can teach you to avoid these mistakes and build a successful channel in a matter of weeks. Choosing a bad niche. The first choice you make when starting an automated channel is your niche. You have to choose what you want to make videos about. The problem is, many people don't plan ahead when making this decision. They might select a niche based on their personal interests, what's popular right now, or the potential CPM for the target audience. But these criteria ignore some of the most important qualities of a lucrative long-term niche. Our course tells you the qualities you need to focus on so you can avoid wasting your time with niches that won't make you any money. We have a specific checklist that can help you decide without a doubt whether your niche is worth pursuing. Making boring videos. Free online tools and AI-powered software have really opened up the possibilities of YouTube automation, and many people have tried using them to build a channel. After all, you can now get AI to write your scripts, generate your voiceovers, and edit your videos. You can even get them to appear on camera and talk to your viewers. And while AI and other production shortcuts are cheap and even free in some cases, they just aren't good enough to make your videos go viral. You need to focus on the video elements that engage human viewers and keep them coming back for more. We've mastered this formula through specific scripting and editing guidelines, all of which you'll have access to inside our course. Plus, we'll give you the exact SEO ingredients you need for YouTube to serve your videos to viewers and jumpstart your traffic. Running out of topic ideas. Even the most creative people run out of ideas at some point. But for a YouTube creator, this can mean the end of your channel. You need hundreds of content ideas to keep your audience satisfied for years to come. We've unlocked unlimited content ideas using a powerful AI platform. And no, it's not ChatGPT. This one tool gives us hundreds of video ideas per day, all of them perfectly geared towards our audience and their interests. We just have to pick the ones we want to make into videos. Beyond this, we have several other strategies for generating content ideas that are practically guaranteed to go viral. The best part is, these strategies require no creativity to use, and they work for absolutely every niche. Our course will teach you how to never run out of content ideas again. Hiring bad freelancers. Finding a team you can rely on is one of the most important parts of an automation channel, but most people just tell you to go to Fiverr for cheap one-off projects. If you've tried this, you know that you end up wasting your money on low-quality work and have to constantly find new available talent. Other people may just be scarred from a bad experience with a freelancer and struggle to find good freelance talent. We've hired dozens and dozens of freelancers over the years, including a huge number specifically for video production. We'll teach you the best hiring practices for finding scriptwriters, voiceover artists, editors, thumbnail designers, channel managers, and more. This includes the costs you can expect to pay for each of these freelancers. But the most crucial part of this process is training your freelancers on your video production processes. This is where most channels go wrong. By giving your freelancers specific guidelines and training materials, you can train them practically overnight. Our process all but guarantees you'll never hire a bad freelancer again, and you'll get them at the lowest possible rates. Our course gives you access to all of this information and our training documents. An Incohesive Channel. After hiring freelancers, people are scared that their videos won't look or sound the same with different freelancers working on them. Needless to say, you want all of your content to have a similar tone and design across your channel, otherwise it lowers the quality of your brand. Our course tells you exactly how to avoid this with a combination of guidelines, training documents, and a few other strategies. Not automating the process. One of the biggest downfalls with automated channels is burnout. If you don't fully automate the process, you'll spend hours and hours a day coordinating with freelancers, managing the business, coming up with content ideas, or even doing some of the video production work yourself. Our channels are built from the ground up with automation in mind. Using a combination of freelancers and automation tools, we've created channels that truly run themselves. And lucky for you, we've taken the countless hours of trial and error and distilled them down into this course. You'll get access to our exact automation formulas that you can literally copy and paste to your own automated channel. Not getting started. The easiest way to fail is not getting started at all. Starting an automated channel might seem intimidating or advanced, but that's why we created our YouTube automation course. We'll teach you everything you need to know to build a highly profitable automated YouTube channel. With our step-by-step videos, training documents, automation formulas, and more, you can go from picking a niche to kicking back while your channel runs itself in as little as 2 weeks. To get started, just go to automateyourvideos.com, and I hope to see you inside the course.